Going to be a reading for the sign of Scorpio. So what can Scorpios possibly expect in their love life, soulmate relationship for the month of May? So let's start. This is going to be a collective for Scorpios in the month of May, soulmate relationships. So what's really coming up for Scorpios? What's going to be the main focus for Scorpios for the month of May, please? One card for what's really coming up for Scorpios in the coming weeks. Right now with 8 of Wands, darling, I see a lot of communication for you. This very month is going to bring in a lot of communication, a lot of attention. I see you being very passionate about what you do, or if you have are into something, then you are going to be very much into it, like possibly a career, maybe painting. If you are a poet, you're very much going to be involved in what you do. Okay, with Knight of Swords, I also see a possible air sign. Okay, I see a lot of air today, or could also be for some of you a water sign. Air, water is something I see coming towards you. Air being Libra, Gemini, Aquarius, water being Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Okay, so I see these two signs coming towards you. Okay, so one card for Scorpio people in the past, like. Let's see one card for Scorpio people in the past. What was happening for Scorpios in the past? In the past, with Justice card, you guys were too focused on balancing your life. You know, you guys were trying to think practically in using your mind over your heart. So you just wanted balance in your life. You just wanted peace in your life. You were not really wanting to do much, which is going to harm you or get you out of balance in any which way. With King of Swords, you are behaving very detached. Some of you might be even connecting with the Libra with Justice here. Okay, but it's just that you were behaving very much, you were not trying to do much about it. I'd say you were more focused on balancing your life, getting your life back on track than doing anything else. You were just wanting to be right about something, okay, and wanting to do it the right way. Okay, with 10 of Swords, some of you guys might have gone through an ending in your past relationship, and right now with the Justice card, you are just wanting to make things right for yourself, not for the other person, for yourself. Okay, so. One card for what's the current scenario for Scorpios. One card for what's the current scenario for Scorpios. One card for what's the current scenario for Scorpios. With Page of Pentacles, right now, I see you wanting to invest some way. With 9 of Swords, you are very restless over this, new thing that's coming towards you. Might even be a new person with Page of Pentacles. For selected few of you, you are just wanting to start investing into this connection, into this whatever that's coming towards you. Right now, I see you wanting to start something with Page of Pentacles. It could also be communication, where you're wanting to start or open up to someone. Okay, with 9 of Swords, you're very restless over it. Okay, so let's see one card for your soulmate. One card for your soulmate. What's their current energy towards Scorpio? One card for Scorpio soulmate. What's their current energy towards Scorpio? Your soulmate has 7 of Pentacles, so they feel like they have done everything that they could be, possibly investing or, possibly doing for you. And they're basically waiting for results. If you have to ask about your soulmate, then I possibly feel your soulmate isn't doing much. They are waiting on you to take action. They are waiting on you to react. They are waiting on you to make things right. They already feel on some which level that they have done their part. Okay, that's how it's showing me. Okay, so let's start your reading now. This was your energy. So what's coming up for Scorpios for the month of May, Spirit? So one card for what's the overall energy going to be like between Scorpio and their soulmate throughout the month of May. What's the overall energy going to be like between Scorpio and their soulmate throughout the month of May? I really do not see your person doing much right now. They are waiting on you. They are waiting on you to make the changes. They are waiting on you to take action. Okay. Right now, what's the energy going to be like? I have the Lovers card. So this is almost a union of two people. You guys are very much wanting to partner up. You guys are very much wanting to make things work in the future, like in the coming days, as in futures in the coming days with 3 of Pentacles. You guys are very eager to step forward. That's your collective energy. And you guys feel a very strong attraction towards each other. It could be with looks. It could be with chemistry, strong chemistry here. Okay, and you feel like you guys belong with each other. Okay. One card for what's your soulmate energy going to be like towards you. Soulmate energy towards Scorpio in the coming weeks. With 8 of Pentacles, I see this person trying to put in a lot of effort into this connection. With 8 of Pentacles and 9 of Pentacles at the bottom, it could be that in the past, they were behaving very detached. They did not want to get themselves emotionally attached to you. With 8 of Pentacles right now, I see them putting in a lot of effort and, wanting to make things work with you. Okay. With the Magician, I see this person wanting to manifest this connection. Wanting to put in effort so that, things could move forward. Okay, so one card for what's their intention going to be like towards Scorpio throughout the month of May. What's their intention going to be like towards Scorpio throughout the month of May? One card for Scorpio soulmate. With Knight of Wands, this person is very, very interested in you. And in some which way, they feel a strong sexual pull towards you as well. For some of you, this person might even want to physically meet you. I know it's kind of impossible right now with the lockdown thing going on. But I very much see this person having strong intentions of meeting you physically. Okay, with the Devil card, this person has a strong sexual attraction. Even if they are behaving like they do not, they do. Okay, they find you very, very attractive. Okay. So one card for what action are they possibly wanting to take towards you now? With 6 of Wands, this person wants your attention. They will, I see you getting a lot of attention from this person for the next few weeks, okay? So there's no need to worry with the 9 of Swords that you got earlier. This person will give you a lot of attention. So what do they have in mind right now? What do they truly have in mind? Scorpio soulmate, what do they truly have in mind right now? I see this person wanting to start something fast with you. With Page of Swords and the Tower card here, this person is very much wanting to start something fast, okay? In the past, with 9 of Pentacles, I see this person wanting to stay emotionally detached from you in the past. But right now, this person is very eager to start something fast with you. With the Tower card, it could also be that they are wanting fast changes with you, okay? This person is stalking you crazy. They are watching you. They want to talk to you. They want to give you all their attention this very month, okay? So what can you expect from your person? What can you possibly expect from your person now? One card for what can you possibly expect from your person now? Please note that my readings are very direct, very straightforward. I don't sugarcoat shit. Okay. I see this person putting in a lot of effort now, wanting to get a very stable connection with you. But this person also has tendencies to be very self-absorbed sometimes, very self-focused, very, like sometimes this person could be a businessman, businesswoman, someone who is very financially driven, someone who's very successful as well. I see this person being sometimes very much confused, but I also see them wanting a stable connection with you. Okay. So one card for their current feelings for you. One card for Scorpio soulmates current feelings for Scorpio. Card for Scorpio soulmates current feelings for Scorpio. Right now they're a little confused with like what they could possibly have with you. The reason we have Knight of Wands as how they're coming towards you is because they are wanting a start with you, but they do not know exactly where this connection will possibly move forward. Okay, so how do they feel about you when they think of you, when they miss you? One card, how do they truly feel about you? This person tries to stay emotionally distant from you. Time and again, this person always wants to give you their attention, but they are not very emotionally open. Like they do not express their emotions openly. But with Queen of Wands, I do see them being very attracted to you. Okay. So one card for, so what are they possibly wanting to offer Scorpios now? One card for what are they possibly wanting to offer Scorpios? This person fears their own feelings that they have for you. Okay. With Page of Cups, I do see this person wanting to offer you a small start. Okay, I'm not going to say that they're going to like offer you a possible strong commitment. No, I'm going to say that this person is going to start opening up slowly. You cannot expect a lot of like this person expressing a hell a lot, like, you know, they have love for you and they are wanting to get married and they're wanting to have kids with you. No, I don't see that happening fast. This person has tendencies to kind of emotionally block their feelings. You know, every time they think about you, they do know that they have feelings for you, but they're not really wanting to exactly express it. You know, they tend to stay emotionally distant. Okay, even if they are giving you attention, they tend to not speak about their feelings that they have for you. Okay. So one card for where is this connection possibly moving forward? Where is this connection possibly moving forward? For some of you, I also see this person having a lot of other options besides you in the past. And that kind of was the main reason why they were not very much being open towards you. I do feel on some which level that this person will take a leap of faith towards you. Okay. But the problem is, you know, you guys are trying to stay emotionally distant from each other, not really wanting to commit. Commitment could be a big issue. Okay. So what are they possibly wanting from you now? One card, what are they possibly wanting from you? But they're wanting to take, make a move towards you. Take steps towards you. This person is wanting you to nurture their soul, to take care of them, to, you know, to make them feel a little precious, a little someone you care for, someone that you want in your life. This person might also want you to express their love for them. Okay, so what action are they possibly wanting you to take towards them? One card for what action are they possibly wanting you to take towards them? They want you to offer their cup of love. This person wants a soulmate relationship. With 10 of Cups, this person is possibly wanting forever with you, but they are not sure if they could have that with you. Okay, I'll be very honest here. With 7 of Cups, they are not very sure with what they can have with you, but they wish to have forever with you. Okay, with 10 of Cups. With 6 of Swords, this person is not extremely expressive. They try to behave emotionally distant from you time and again. So Spirit, if we could ask one card for what's really blocking this person from opening up, or what's really stopping them from coming forward towards Scorpio, but expect them to be a lot more sweeter to you. You know, they are going to be a lot more you know, they're going to communicate a lot. You can expect a lot of communication from this person. Okay, they fear rejection. Again, the same card, 3 of Swords. They fear you putting them through a heartbreak, or, you know, keeping them into a third party. So a third party or fear of rejection could be a one main reason why they are not exactly being open to you. Okay, but they wish they could have forever with you. Okay, so let's see love messages from your person now. Love messages from Scorpio, soulmate to Scorpio for the month of May. This is going to be throughout the month of May, like a full, like, possible monthly focus. They fear you not liking the real them. Okay, I fear you not liking the real me. Okay. Songs remind me of you. Okay, so like, possibly whenever they are listening to some good songs, they do think of you. Okay, and possibly I feel like this person has problems expressing their feelings because they have been hurt in the past. Okay, with 3 of Swords, they fear you breaking their heart too. That is one of the main reasons why this person isn't exactly open to you. Okay, but I do feel on some which level that this person is wanting forever with you, but they won't say it out loud. But, you know, they are wanting you to be extra nurturing, extra open with your feelings. And, you know, this person is wanting you to start a relationship with them with 2 of Cups. This person is wanting an equal and beautiful relationship with you, but they won't say it because they are very fearful of rejection. Okay, they fear you not liking the real them. Okay, so yes, this was your reading. Please do hit the like button, guys. Your likes do mean a lot to me. It helps the channel move forward. So I'll be very grateful if you could like the video, comment, subscribe, and please keep coming back for regular readings. Thank you so much. Stay home, stay safe, darling. Cheers.